Hello everyone, I'm welcome back to TechBlock. Today we are doing a massive giveaway, the biggest giveaway by far on the channel so far, and it's got quite a story behind it. This was not planned at all. I didn't expect to receive 5 RTX 2060s, but this was all thanks to the community as well as NVIDIA for actually sending out all of these graphics cards to me to give away to you guys. Now they also sent me a 5th graphics card, but this is for me to keep. So thanks NVIDIA for hooking me up and hooking you guys up. And it's kind of like a good timing as well, as the channel is approaching 50,000 subs. I was originally planning on doing like a massive Amazon gift card giveaway. I've done those in the past. They're very easy to do. If you win, I send you an Amazon gift card, or if you don't have Amazon, I can PayPal you the money that you want, I guess. And I've done that in the past, but we did a giveaway back in December where we gave away the Shaun Pure Steel PC case back there. I announced it in like a couple of videos and stuff, but yeah, the channel's grown since then. We're almost at 50,000 subs, but this time we're giving away a few RTX 2060s, 4 of them in fact, and 4 people are gonna win them. It's freaking awesome. So thank you very much NVIDIA for sending these out, and we also have another person to thank, as without this one person called Shaun, this would not have been possible. So if I hop onto my PC right here, I'm gonna tell you all about how this went down, I suppose. So NVIDIA tweeted out on January 7th, "We're celebrating creators with the launch of the RTX 2060. Retweet this video, tag a gaming creator who inspires you, and tell us why in the replies with hashtag RTXOn. And then if selected, you both win RTX 2060s plus 4 more RTX 2060s for the creator to award to their community." Now, I think you guys know where this is going. Shaun right here said, "I'm gonna go with my boy TechBlock M. He consistently put out great tech content all last year and is growing at a steady rate, but the quality of his videos deserve a much greater paycheck and audience. He's destined for an awesome YouTube career. Hashtag RTXOn." And NVIDIA replied to Shaun saying, "Love this, Shaun. Please shoot us a DM when you get a chance." So at that moment, NVIDIA, shot him a DM. They followed me and shot me a DM, and I was just like an absolute shock there. It was like a month since Shaun had tweeted that at NVIDIA, and like a month later, they replied to him out of nowhere and tell him that he's won. And because he won, I won, and so did the community here on TechBlock. We got some graphics cards to give away. So as with all of my giveaways in the past, I always use the service called gleam.io. That's where I host all my giveaways on, and it's just a good service. It's fair. We can draw random winners real easy, and yeah, all the giveaway information, everything you need to know is down below in the description. It should be the first link. So you press on that, boom. You can win yourself an RTX 2060 we're giving away 4. So your chances, they're not too bad. They're not too bad. And yeah, best of luck to everyone entering the giveaway. And I also want to give a shout out to Shaun, as without him, this would not have been possible. We would not be here right now giving away 4 RTX 2060s. So I'm going to go ahead and leave Shaun's social media down below in the description as well. His Twitter as well as his Twitch. So, if you guys want to go show him some love, feel free to do so. Legend for actually, nominating me, I guess, in this giveaway, and winning himself an RTX 2060, me an RTX 2060, and 4 to you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much the giveaway details. That's everything you need to know. All the little terms and conditions of the giveaway down below in the description bit of the actual giveaway link. So if you press on the giveaway link, then you'll be taken to Gleam, and you should see all the instructions there on what to do. Can you enter? Are you 18 years old? Stuff like that. So yeah, all the giveaway details are on gleam.io. Just press on the link, enter the giveaway. The more entries you get, the higher chance you have of winning, as for pretty much like all Gleam giveaways, I guess. So yeah, thank you all so much for supporting the channel lately. It's been amazing, and best of luck to everyone entering the giveaway. Also, one more thing I want to talk about, 10 gig networking. I've ordered myself an SFP Plus to RJ45 connector for the SFP Plus port, the 10 gigabit port at the back of my router, as I have a 10 gigabit card. Let me just show you guys. I have this guy from Synology. They sent me this a while ago. I think I can put this in my PC. If I can't, I'll probably shoot them an email. Maybe they can help me out or something. But pretty sure I can just pop this bad boy in my PC. It's RJ45 10 gigabit port right there, and then my plan is to link that up to my router. 10 gigabit connection. hopefully I can achieve, you know, pretty good transfer speeds between my server and my PC then. So that's kind of the plan with 10 gigabit. It's just like in-home networking. It's not, you know, the actual internet. I don't have 10 gigabit like up and down connection up in here. Not a chance. But this is like, you know, home networking, I suppose, which is still pretty cool, as I can achieve pretty nice, you know, transfer speed between my PC and my NAS. So I have a whole video coming out featuring, of course, the Synology NAS, the Netgear router, the Synology, you know, little switch here. And this is my first time ever doing like networking stuff in terms of 10 gigabit stuff. So it'll be a learning experience. I've already been trying to learn more about it. I had no idea what the heck SFP Plus was until now, and I'm getting everything kind of figured out, and I kind of understand how this is gonna work. And if this whole SFP Plus to RJ45 connection doesn't work out, I've got another method that I'm gonna probably try, which is like fiber optic lines, I guess, or LC to LC connections. So by like special converters, I guess, like SFP Plus to LC converters, I guess, plug them in the router, plug them in my network card, and then use like fiber optic cables, I guess, or LC to LC cables, and connect them together. I'm still learning this stuff, so it's all very new to me, but it's very exciting. Just the thought of having 10 gigabit networking, you know, in here is just pretty cool, I think. So video coming soon. Hopefully you guys will learn some stuff, and I'll learn some stuff as well. But apart from that, that's kind of like all the announcements, I suppose. Thank you all so much for 50,000 subs. We're not quite there yet, but we gonna hit it pretty soon, I think. And it's still like absolutely crazy for me to even think that we are like halfway to 100K. Like, oh man. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna hit 100K this year. I've got like tons of videos planned. Like, man, pretty sure the channel will hit like 100K this year. And the plaque, the silver TechBlock like YouTube play button there, that'll be awesome. Like, that'll be like a freaking dream come true. Honestly, like I want to like hang that up above my PC. Everyone always tells me like, like hang up some posters or something, like, you know, above your setup here. And I want to do that. Like I want to buy like some nanolith panels up there. But I think the YouTube plaque as well would look so sick. Probably add like some Philips Hue LED strips behind there as well. Make it RGB. That'll be pretty cool. But yeah, I look forward to the rest of the year. Hopefully hitting 100K, and man, it'll be a good time. Loads of awesome videos coming soon. But apart from that, everyone, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for the support. A lot of this video, I've just kind of kept repeating myself again. Just, you know, thank you guys, thank you. But I do genuinely mean it. Like, it means the world to me. This is like a dream job for me. It's awesome making videos. Like, you know, I love technology and stuff. Like, I love learning new things and stuff. It's just cool. And hopefully you guys are learning stuff too. Like, I'm no expert at a lot of topics, I guess. But we're getting there, you know, with trial and error, with overclocking and stuff. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching as always, and hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.